Okay. Hey, what's up guys? Kung welcome back sa iyo sa channel dito. Kung meron pa ngang malapit ng Blink Twice, this story before ay mag-short na sa February 13, 2025. Kung tapos panoorin ko ng Blink Twice by Bini. Okay, 9 p.m. Alam ko namin pag pinapanoorin ko. Tapos upcoming na, tapos na. Yes, panoorin natin. Shoutout mo na sa comment no. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tapos, like, comment, and follow. Okay. Guys, panoorin ko ng mag-Blink Twice by Bini. Let's check it out. Let's watch. Wow! Nice. Nice robot. SpongeBob na siya.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it.
Nice.
So, baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got the symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice,
Yeah.
let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Wow. Oh yeah, tapos na. Ayan, tapos na. Guys, pinapanood ako ng Blink Twice by Bini ng video sa subscribe. Okay. Tapos natin, lobat na. Ngayon, Happy Valentine's Day sa buong mundo dito sa mga It's Dave channel. Ngayon, pagkatapos ng kung tinapos ang official music video, kung pagsasanig kami yung kakanta, ngayon ituloy mo kung magtanong ka na sa Nefex at Bini kaysa mga shoutout dito, kaya i-comment mo na sa subscribe at follow. Tapos may ano pa din ng short. Tapos ibig sabihin kung kailan i-comment mo para maganda si Mika. Dito muna sa Philippine area sa Bulacan. Ngayon, guys, Happy Valentine's Day ulit. Oh, Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Kung matapos natin ang comment sa mga ibig sabihin, kay dito lang ang mag-comment sa Nifix kay Bini. Okay. Ngayon, tandaan mo, isi-subscribe at follow nyo. Tapos, i-link mo na sa YouTube ng Bini. Tapos, i-play mo na yun dyan sa video ng YouTube, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, at Twitter X. Kaya ayaw ko magganito ng Facebook at Discord para hindi na kaya na mag-account. Ngayon guys, Happy Valentine's Day guys. Ngayon, thanks for watching guys. Oh, okay, replay. Okay, let's start. Guys, Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching guys. Magandang gabi. Shout out mo na sa comment. Tapos like and subscribe and follow. Guys, I love you. Love you guys. Salamat po sa video mo para may react na. Ipakita ko na sa mag video ng Bini. Kay i-post mo na sa Bini Blink Twice ng Twitter. I-repost mo na. Yun. Guys, repost mo na. Thanks for watching. Bye.